teach you how to clean and possibly disassemble the Walther P38. We're gonna find out how to clean it and disassemble it. Oh yeah! Bing!
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah.
Bang! Mung! Howdy folks, welcome back to BangMung at the almost after hours.
Light.
So, as you can see, we have our Walther P38, which is still in its holster. It's nice, dark holster. I was supposed to open. I was supposed to open that. Look at that boy! It's German. So we're gonna go ahead and clean this little fella here, and hopefully disassemble it, because I think I might know how to do it. I don't really know. We're gonna have to figure that out, but keep them entertained. I'm getting the case and the cleaning stuff.
If you had 10 crocodiles and you laid them in a line, you would have a line of 10 crocodiles. I wouldn't recommend petting them, though, because they're very hungry. Hungry crocodiles means a big, big mess. Yes, big, big mess. Oh.
I got it all!
Nah.
You're gonna see us set it up for the first time! First time for everything here today on BangMung. You know what else isn't for the first time? My hat being gone. We don't talk about the hat. It's the hat we never mention anymore. I don't know what felt. Why is who wiped their ass with it? The fuck? Okay, we got our little Hoogland in here with everything ready to clean. So let's go ahead and throw the holster aside and get rag. Get Earl and other rag, I guess. You weren't supposed to come out here. I don't even know what this is. Hoppus? Hoppus. What is it? It's got fluid in it. We don't need that. We don't need that either. Gun scrubber! And all of its putrid goodness.
Ugh.
And then break. Earl. Everything we need. Okay. Let's go ahead and prepare. Alright. For one, get you this guy right here. For two, get you this guy right here. Go ahead and combine their power. Why are you? Wait, what? Maybe you don't. Maybe you don't want to get this guy right here. You want to get this guy right here, and then you want to roll it around. I am all over the place today. Welcome to BangMung. It gets worse. Let's see, are you the one? Absolutely not. Are you the one? Huh. I think you might be. You. What? What, Brung? No.
Brung?
Alright, we got it attached. The long shaft. Yeah. Okay, so sludge that bung to the back. I'm gonna go ahead and saturate our fella. I don't even know if I'm hitting there, and I can't see with these shades on. I'm gonna go ahead and douse that barrel. Ah, it went all over the back. We're gonna just shove it in. You can see it emerge. For once, you can see it emerge and go back up and down and up and down and. It's probably not good that it's smacking the shit out of that, but I don't know how to mediate it. It'll go both ways. No, it don't go both ways.
No.
Yeah, I don't know how to get it to go smooth, you know? I mean, I'm not that... I'm like, if it's not obvious enough, I'm not a fucking complete and total expert on weapon cleaning. I just have enough knowledge for common sense, like safety and all that yada yada. I know enough, but I'm not a fucking weapon historian and that shit. I mean, clearly I'm a fucking idiot. My humor didn't tell you, then sticking around would obviously tell you. So let's go ahead and get rid of that copy-woppy boy and... Hey, you get cornbread? What? I don't think that's gonna... Dark. This boy need a fucking cleanse as well. I don't know if I'm... you know, we're gonna try. We're gonna try. Do we not have an adapter for this big fucking thing? Huh. I don't know what this is. Doesn't do. I don't think we have an adapter for this big boy. Not even gonna fit. Anyways. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Oh, this boy is a boy. Ooh, that's not a good sign. Maybe you should stir. I can't tell if it's darker or not. I have shades on. It stained my knuckles. Well, I think that's clean for right now. We'll go back over with the boar snake later. But we're going to see if I can disassemble this guy. I've never done this before, so it's a learning process for both of us. So from what I gathered, you just walk the slide to the rear and you take this little lever and you flick it forward, and I think something to do here. Huh. We're going to figure it out, folks. Just take a little time. Huh, safety. I don't know what I'm doing all this. Huh. It has to do with this. I might have to watch a thing here. No, that doesn't do it. I'm curious now. You see, it doesn't go all the way unless you have it back. So there's something to do here. Maybe I push further? I don't know. I don't quite understand the mechanisms of this boy. Okay, lift. Please hold. I couldn't figure it out. So we'll save that for another time. And I just found out this could go on there. I don't know what this is for, but it could go on. It can screw. We'll have to figure out that at some point, but... For the time being, we're going to have to do some other shit. Such as putting this away. Get it. We did it. Successful. Alright, now time for your usual dose of oiling. You ready for the big stink?
Ugh.
Douse it. Oh! There's the stink. Oh god, fuck. Oh. Quickly douse it, so that way we can get rid of the sad. This shit is vile. How could I taste it through the mask? Ugh. We're pulling the mask up further for once. Covering the nose, like a certain thing we had to do in 2020. You remember. I can't say it on here because they don't like it. But you know what it is. Uncle Rona. There you go. That's what it is. Hint, hint. You can't see me. Didn't want you to see my double twiddle chin. I'm having a harder time at speaking today. More dyslexia, the better. You know how it goes. I'm only gonna have to do like a little of that this time around because that is putrid. All right, Zane, since we gotta try and keep this interesting. Tell everyone a story while I continue to clean this guy.
Once upon a time, there was 12 eels, and they were all swimming in a shore, and they found an unsuspecting man, and they slithered up on him, and they said,
Large blows, I'm a pirate eel, and I'm going to take your booty.
and the man said,
Then stick a little Earl right here.
"Oh,
Then nice and slippy slide.
Slurg."
Yeah. And I'm gonna go ahead and re-wipe. That's what you want to do after a bit of diarrhea. You want to re-wipe. Make sure you get all them chunks out of there. That's just one of the best things to do because you don't want to have a bit of leakage when you go to bed. Like that, except it comes out your ass. What is this? Oh, what would a BangMung video be without Burschner? It's not been going in.
Oh.
A jizz of oil in there, just like that, and then slide it all down. Oh, look at that motherfucking boy. Good. I swear to God, these used to be way tighter to go in. Like, it used to take a bit of struggle, but now they don't. I wonder why that is. Maybe it's an alternate universe where the boar snakes aren't as powerful. There, we just got a bunch of the crud off him, so it goes smoother through, or whatever the fuck. But that's just a final little polish to get out all that seepy green cheese. Well, look at that. It's clean. So when it's clean, we do this. Put it back in. So that means it's the end of the video. And well, I am the greatness that is soon to be about to fall into the back of the closet. BangMung! And I will see you in the next range video. I'm gonna go get a drink. I'm about to fart. That's not a fart, that's worse, oh god.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!